Dinoland, USA.
It's the last time.
Last time here, bud.
We're gonna go on the dinosaur.
We're gonna go on dinosaur.
So,
Okay. Yeah, what do you want to say?
You have to say it louder.
we're gonna go on the dinosaur ride, and it's the last time.
Yep, because it's going away.
It's going away.
It's very sad.
Forever.
Can I take him? Sorry. No, it's okay. So we picked up Dominic and decided to head over to Animal Kingdom now to ride Dinosaur one more time. It's really sad. I remember coming here when I was younger with my family. It's just really sad. So many good memories. They're getting rid of nostalgia rides. They already started putting up the walls for the Encanto. We have to go around, bud. Oh, I was taking a video. Here's a video of the restaurant that was in Dinoland that is now currently closed. Dinoland. Is it in here?
Yeah, they make cherry Coke, vanilla Coke, all sorts of different types of Coke.
The wait time is up to 110 minutes, and tomorrow is the last day that you can ride it. We're going to be going on shortly.
I ran definitely when I was in high school, and then just
So everybody, this is our last time on the dinosaur ride, right? It's a sad day.
Pardon me, guys. Stop by you guys real quick. Pardon me, sir.
I have a picture of my mom and my dad. We were waiting over there. Yeah. What is this going to be next? Do you remember? What I told you?
Indiana Jones.
And what are we gonna miss the most?
This.
And what does it always say at the end of the ride? We're not gonna
make it.
We're not gonna make it.
That will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's the but the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world that will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates?
No.
We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone, okay?
Wait, now I feel like it's scary.
Good job, Bubba. Yeah, I do. Bobby, come over here. Yes, fun. You gotta keep walking. Let me hold your hand. Let me hold that. Go. The future is in no longer. Yep. You're not gonna smell this smell no more. Maybe. We'll have to see. But where's his sunglasses? Oh, okay. I'm like, again? Where do you want to sit for this ride?
It's in the middle.
You want to sit in the middle or on the side?
Side.
As most of you know, Dinosaur is a dark ride. We cannot adjust the lighting, but at least you can hear the audio during the ride.
Before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
What happened? Well, we're getting it on here.
Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Are you live?
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oliuramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on!
Just fine. Enjoy it, babe.
I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop.
Good.
Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Go and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
It's gonna be very bumpy.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
To make a heart
Loss of traction.
when they take the picture.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor shower.
When you tell them, yeah, let's make a heart.
That was close. Computer, now what?
Do it.
Carnotaurus.
Get ready.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it. I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.
Did you make a heart?
Please get.
Says avoid.
Yeah. He says abort, abort, abort.
No, it says avoid. Not abort. It says abort.